Jane is selling tickets for her home movies. Tickets for friends are $3 and everyone else must pay $5 per ticket. If she sold 72 tickets and made $258, how many of each type did she sell? Okay, so what I again like to always do is highlight some important information. So tickets for friends are $3. Everyone else must pay $5 per ticket. Okay, she sold 72 tickets total and she made $258. So we are trying to figure out how many of each type of ticket did she sell. So one thing that can be handy is to make a table. Okay, so we know that the price per ticket, okay, times the number of tickets is going to equal the total cost per type of ticket. Or we can say total amount. Okay, so we know there are two types of tickets. She has tickets for friends, which I'm going to call F, and everyone else I'll call E. So the friends are going to pay $3 each. Okay, everyone else pays $5. Okay, so now the number of tickets that they sold of each type, we don't know. That's what the question asks. So we can say that X is the amount of number of friend tickets. And since we know that if you add up the amount of friend tickets and everyone else, they have to equal 72, that means that the expression for everyone else could be 72 minus X. Okay, so keeping in mind that when you multiply the price of the tickets times the number of tickets, that will tell you how much money you made per ticket. Okay, so we're going to be multiplying these columns. Then we can figure out the total amount per type of ticket. Okay, we know that these need to add up to be $258. Now, we can come up for the expressions for these by multiplying our first and our second column. So 3 times X is just 3X. Okay, and I'm going to be multiplying 5 times the quantity of 72 minus X. Now, I'm saying times the quantity because I need to put parentheses around this expression. And if I add these up, I should get 258. Okay, so I can rewrite this as 3X plus 5 times 72 minus X, and this will be equal to 258. So my first step for an equation like this would be to distribute. So I need to bring down my 3X. 5 times 72 is 360. 5 times negative X is negative 5X. So now I just need to combine like terms. Okay, and now we can combine like terms. So on the left-hand side, 3X and negative 5X is negative 2X. And I'm going to kind of combine my steps right here. I also will be subtracting 360 from both sides, which gives me negative 102. So for my last step, I would be dividing 102 divided by 2, and that is going to give me a positive 51. So again, I always want to go back up and make sure I'm answering the question. So the question was, how many of each type did she sell? So X is what I called the number of friend tickets. So it would be 51 friend tickets And in order to find the everyone else's tickets, we would do 72 minus 51, and that is 22 tickets for everyone else.